Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to blend a photo with the background. So this is my subject of the photo that I'm going to blend with this background. So first of all guys, to blend this image we have to remove this background. So to remove the background we can use many options here. So first option is to go to its first of all we have to create a duplicate layer. So once we create the duplicate layer, the option, so when in the properties there will be another option will be appeared here, remove background. So when we click on remove, it will remove the background. So let's click on it and see. So it will start selecting the subject and remove the background. So let's check out if the background removed or not. So this is our background. If we remove this, if we hide this background, so our image subject will be visible without background. So now we are going to use this subject into the image where we are going to blend this image. So first of all what we have to do, we have to move it to this background and just leave. Now when we see, so the image size of the image is a bit larger, so how can we reduce? So let's click on show transform controls. So now it is showing, and let me zoom out. So let it be 8%. So now we can scale it. Just scale it with respect to the background. Fine. Yeah. On the left side, on the right side, I think the left side much better. Fine, and let's zoom it again, and it was 25. Fine. So this is our image. So where it should be, I think right side is much better. Now the simple steps to blend this image with the background is this. So now we are going to make some changes here. So first of all we have to make some changes, like we have to adjust the brightness of the background or the subject so they look similar in brightness. So suppose you can see it is the subject, the brightness of the subject is quite yellowish, so you can match with the background. So how can we do that? So we have to click on this adjustment layer and add curves here. So when we click on curve here, first of all we have to select the subject, so it won't basically affect the background. So let me go again back. First of all we have to click on this option. So when we click on this, so now we can adjust according to the background. So as you can see, it is much better now, and it is very similar to the background also. So you can see the image is bit bluish, and so you can use the blue color here. So let's do it now. So it become, now this one is much better. Fine. So now what we have to do, just save it, or you can name it as well. We can name it as brightness. Fine. So now what we can do, we can blur the background here. So to blur the background, we need to go to, first of all we have to select the background and we have to go to filters, and we can convert it into the smart filters. So first of all click on this. So to enable re-editable smart filter, the selected layer will be converted into the smart object. So it will convert into smart object. And now guys, we are going to add our blur. So we have to go to this blur gallery. So just use this tilt shift. So this is one of the fine option in the Photoshop. So first of all you have to drag it downward. Fine. So let me explain one thing from here. So first of all you can see between these two lines there is no blur, and after this bold line there is a little bit blur, and after you can see the after bold line the blur is gradually increasing upward, and you can see at the bottom as well. So after bold line the blur is gradually increasing. So we can use this increasing this blur to effect on our background. So we can drag this tilt blur to the bottom, and we can adjust this little bit here. Fine. So you can see it is, so let me remove this blur option first of all, and now you can see that the our blur option or blur is gradually increasing in the background. So it start from here, and you can also customize the blur setting here. So first of all let me zoom out here. So make it 1/15. Now you can see the effect, and now you can see our image has been blend with the background more effectively. You can make more changes, like you can adjust the background of the color of the background, or you can adjust the color of the bag of subject. So we can discuss it more in detail in later video, and it will take around 1 hour to explain this in more detail. So guys, this is my short video, so I thought I should explain in the short time. So yeah, this is the short process to blend any subject or blend any image with the background. So I hope you understood, and if you have any doubt you can ask in the comment section. And for like this video, please subscribe to our channel. Till then, bye bye.